Hey there, welcome back to Next Level English. Today, we've got 40 modal verbs quiz. Let's test your knowledge of must, might, can, and more. Think you can get them all right? Let's find out. 1. Which sentence uses may correctly? He may play the guitar. Tips: may is used for permission or possibility. 2. Which of these is a correct use of could? She could dance very well. Tips: could is used for past ability or polite requests. 3. What does can express? Ability or possibility. Tips: can is often used to express ability or possibility. 4. Which of these is a correct use of should? You should study harder. Tips: should is used for advice or recommendation. 5. Which sentence is correct? I must leave now. Tips: must is followed directly by the base verb without to. 6. What is the correct form of would in a question? Would you like some coffee? Tips: would is used for polite offers or requests. 7. Which of the following sentences is correct? He can't play the piano. Tips: can't is followed by the base form of the verb. 8. What does might express? Present possibility. Tips: might suggests a lower probability or possibility. 9. Which sentence uses would correctly? He would go to the party if invited. Tips: would is for conditionals or polite requests. 10. Choose the correct sentence. I can help you. Tips: can is followed by the base verb without to. 11. Which of these is the correct use of may? May I go to the restroom? Tips: may is used for polite permission requests. 12. What is the correct use of must not? You must not smoke here. Tips: must not shows prohibition, followed by the base verb. 13. Which sentence is correct? He might help you. Tips: might is used for a lower probability or possibility. 14. Which of these is the correct use of could? Could you help me, please? Tips: could is used for polite requests in the present or past. 15th. What is the correct use of should? You should apologize. Tips, should is followed by the base verb without to. 16. Which sentence uses would correctly? I would go if I had time. Tips, would is used in conditional sentences. 17. What is the correct sentence? We must study for the test. Tips, must is followed by the base verb. 18. Which sentence is correct? She can sing well. Tips, can is followed by the base verb without to or ing. 19. Which of these sentences is correct? May I borrow your pencil? Tips, may is used for formal permission. 20. Which of the following sentences is correct? You must be on time. Tips, must is followed directly by the base verb without to. 21. Which sentence is correct? I could play the piano when I was younger. Tips, could is used to talk about past abilities. 22. What is the correct sentence? You might try harder. Tips, might is followed by the base verb. 23. Which sentence is correct? You can't drive here. Tips, can't is followed by the base verb. 24th. Which modal verb suggests an action you might do? May. Tips, may is used to express an uncertain action or suggestion. 25. You. Stop at a red light. It's the law. Should. Tips, use should for obligation or duty. 26. I borrow your pen, please? May. Tips, use may for formal polite requests. 27th. She. Speak 3 languages fluently. Can. Tips, can indicates ability. 28. He. Have been at the party, but I didn't see him. Could. Tips, could have indicates possibility in the past. 29. You. Eat so much junk food, it's not healthy. Shouldn't. Tips, shouldn't suggests not doing something, a weaker must not. 30. They. Arrive soon, the train is almost here. Must. Tips. Must is used for strong probability. 31. You help me with this heavy box? Would. Tips. Would is used for a polite request or offer. 32. We. Go to the meeting, it's optional. Need not. Tips. Need not indicates no obligation or necessity. 33. I have called him earlier. Now it's too late. Should. Tips. Should have is used for regret about a past action. 34. He. Be very tired, he has been working all day. Must. Tips. Use must for logical conclusions about the present. 35. We try a different approach? Shall. Tips. Use shall to suggest or offer, especially in British English. 36. She. To finish the report by Friday. Ought. Tips. Ought to express his obligation or duty, similar to should. 37. You. To apologize for your behavior. Ought. Tips. Ought to indicate strong moral obligation. 38. I. Rather stay home tonight. Would. Tips. Would rather is used to express a preference. 39. You. Bring an umbrella, it's not raining. Needn't. Tips. Needn't expresses absence of necessity. 40. You be quiet, please? I'm trying to concentrate. Could. Tips. Use could for polite requests. How many did you ace? Let me know in the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe for more grammar quizzes. Keep mastering those modals, see you next time.